This campervan has a unique interior. Chausson F&S, a compact campervan built on the Fiat Ducato that completely rethinks how interior space should work under 6 meters. From a transforming lounge to a surprisingly premium sleeping solution to an interior layout that feels nothing like a traditional van, this camper isn't just different, it's genuinely clever. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Chausson F&S, exploring its exterior design, its truly unique interior concept, real-world performance, technology, and finally, who this camper is actually perfect for. Let's begin. Exterior design. At just 5.99 meters long, the Chausson F&S sits in that sweet spot where everyday usability meets long-distance touring confidence. Built on the Fiat Ducato chassis, the van has a clean, purposeful profile. Nothing flashy, nothing exaggerated. The body lines are modern and aerodynamic, designed not just for looks, but for efficiency and stability on the highway. The width of 2.05 meters makes it easy to handle on narrow European roads, while the height, topping out around 2.65 meters with the pop-top, keeps it low enough for city access and parking garages. Chausson keeps things smart on the outside. Integrated lighting, flush windows, durable body panels, and a stance that feels confident without being bulky. It's a campervan that blends in when it needs to and stands out only when you know what you're looking at. Interior and living space. Step inside, and this is where the Chausson F&S completely changes the conversation. Instead of following the traditional campervan formula, Chausson has designed a front lounge-focused layout that feels open, modern, and refreshingly non-van-like. The seating area uses swiveling captain's chairs combined with a smart bench configuration that creates a proper lounge rather than a cramped dinette. The result is a space that feels social, airy, and surprisingly premium for a van under 6 meters. Large windows flood the interior with natural light, while the color palette, soft grays, warm wood tones, and subtle ambient lighting creates a calm, upscale atmosphere. There's excellent headroom, thoughtful storage integrated into the walls, and a sense that every inch has been designed with intention rather than compromise. This is a campervan you actually want to spend time inside, not just sleep in. Kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. The kitchen is compact but intelligently executed. You get a proper cooking service, sink with modern fixtures, refrigerator sized for real travel, not just weekend trips, and clever storage solutions that maximize vertical space. Everything feels within reach, ergonomic, and easy to use, even while parked off-grid. Now, the sleeping solution is where the F&S name truly shines. Thanks to the pop-top roof, the van offers a comfortable sleeping area without sacrificing daytime living space. The mattress support is solid, ventilation is excellent, and the sleeping area feels far more refined than what you'd expect from a pop-top design. It's ideal for couples, or even a small family, who want flexibility without committing to a permanently fixed bed. The bathroom follows the same philosophy, compact but functional, wet room style, easy to clean, and designed for real-world usability rather than showroom gimmicks. Performance and driving experience. Under the hood, the Chausson F&S uses Fiat's proven 2.2-liter turbo diesel engine, delivering 140 horsepower as standard. For those who want more punch, especially when fully loaded or traveling through mountain regions, the 180 horsepower option is available. Paired with a 6-speed manual transmission or an optional Fiat automatic gearbox, the driving experience is smooth, predictable, and confidence-inspiring. On the highway, the van feels planted. Steering is light but precise, visibility is excellent, and long-distance cruising is relaxed thanks to strong low-end torque. Fuel efficiency is respectable, supported by a 20 to 24-gallon diesel tank, and the AdBlue system ensures compliance with modern emission standards. This is a campervan you can comfortably drive for hours without fatigue. Technology and smart features. Up front, the Fiat Ducato cockpit delivers exactly what you want from a modern touring vehicle. A clean dashboard layout, intuitive controls, and an infotainment system that supports navigation, smartphone integration, and hands-free driving features. Climate control is effective, cabin insulation is excellent, and smart electrical management systems allow you to monitor energy usage, water levels, and battery status with ease. Nothing feels overcomplicated, but nothing feels outdated either. Pros and cons. Let's be honest. Pros: exceptionally clever interior layout, premium lounge feel in a compact footprint, flexible sleeping thanks to pop-top design, easy to drive and park, strong engine options. Cons: compact kitchen may feel limited for long-term cooking. Wet bathroom design isn't for everyone. Pop-top sleeping may not suit those who prefer fixed beds. Balanced, practical, and refreshingly honest. The Chausson F&S isn't trying to be the biggest camper van. It isn't trying to be the most luxurious either. Instead, it focuses on intelligent design, real usability, and a living space that adapts to how people actually travel. If you value smart interiors, compact dimensions, and a premium feel without excess, this campervan deserves a very serious look. Now, I want to hear from you. Would you choose a clever pop-top camper like this? Or do you prefer a traditional fixed bed layout? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because more detailed motorhome reviews are coming very soon. Thanks for watching.